In this class, I am going to discuss about the permutations of dissimilar things. Permutations of dissimilar things. Here, concept-wise, I am going to giving the video class, preparing the video class. See here, permutations of dissimilar things. What is the permutation? Permutation is nothing but arrangement only. Here, arrangements we can do in linear or circular also. Circular arrangements are there, linear arrangements are there. Two types are there. First of all, we are discussing about the linear arrangements only. An arrangement that can be formed by taking some or all of a finite set of things. Here, either things or objects, both are same only, is called permutation. An arrangement that can be formed by taking some or all of a finite set of things is called a permutation. A permutation is said to be linear permutation if the objects are arranged in a line. In a line, if you arrange in a line, that one we say linear permutation. But a linear permutation is simply called as a permutation. So here, what is the number of permutations? Means the number of arrangements that can be found by taking r at a time from n dissimilar things is denoted by NPR. What is the meaning of this one? NPR. Total n objects are there. We are selecting R. The number of arrangements that can be formed by taking R at a time from n dissimilar things. For example, 1 to 9 are there. 1, 2, 3, so on. 9 are there. I am taking 4 at a time. 1, 5, 7, 9. The number of ways arranging 4 letter words. From the 9 objects are there, like that. See here, the number of permutations that can be formed by taking R at a time from a set of n dissimilar things, that is denoted by NPR. For NPR, one more definition also there. What is NPR? The number of ways filling all blank places. The number of ways, here total 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is the rth blank place. Here this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, like that. Total how many blank places are there? R blank places are there. Total in our hand how many objects are there? N objects are there. See here, first blank place can be filled in how many ways? N different ways. Here n objects are there. Out of n you can keep any one of the n objects in the first blank place. So here total number of ways n are there. So here the work is not yet completed. If it is not completed, you can put into. Here we are using a fundamental principle of multiplication. Multiplication principle only. The second work. See here, second blank place. Now, after filling the total of n objects are there, after filling the one object in the first blank place, the total number of objects left, that is n minus 1. So here n minus 1 objects, n minus 1 ways are there to fill the second blank place. After that, here for third one, n minus 2. See here, for second one, n minus of 2 minus 1. For the third one, n minus of 3 minus 1. For this one, n minus of n minus 3, n minus of 4 minus 1. Now, so on, rth blank place, n minus of r minus 1 ways are there to fill the rth blank place. So here, NPR, that is equals to, this is total NPR only. NPR is equal to the number of ways filling or blank places by n dissimilar things. NPR is equal to that one. Now here what I am doing, NPR, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on, n minus r plus 1. Here by decreasing 1 by 1, see, reducing 1 by 1 here. If I reduce 1, n minus 1, if I reduce 1, n minus 2, so on, like that. If I reduce 1, n minus r minus 1, so on. Here what we get? At last 3 into 2 into 1. Here what I am doing? Multiplying and dividing with n minus r plus minus 1, n minus r minus 2, so on. 3 into 2 into 1. So this is the product of n natural numbers. We can write n factorial by this is n minus r factorial, the product of n minus r natural numbers. So here NPR, that is equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. See here NPR, what is the meaning of NPR? The number of arrangements that can be formed by taking r at a time from n dissimilar things, that is NPR only. That is equals to the number of ways filling or blank places by r n dissimilar things. For example, here what is the meaning of NPN? The same way you can apply to n boxes also. NPN, that is equal to the number of ways filling n blank places. See, first blank place can be filled in n minus 1, n minus 2, so on. Nth blank place we can write n minus of n minus 1. NPN meaning, NPN, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on, n minus of n minus 1. So NPN, that is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on. Here both the n's gets cancelled, we can get 1. Preceding term we can get 2. So product of n natural numbers we can write n factorial. So NPN is nothing but n factorial. Here permutations of dissimilar things based on formation of words, formation of numbers, arrangements of persons, things in a order. Here first one, on a railway road there are 15 stations. The number of different kinds of second class tickets required in order that it may be possible to book a passenger from one station to another station. Maybe this is actually we have to discuss in multiplication principle only. On a railway road there are 15 stations. See the number of different kinds of second class tickets required in order that it may be possible to book a passenger from one station to another station. Here total 2 stations are there. Second class tickets, it may be possible to book a passenger one station to another station. See the number of ways to select one station. Total how many stations are there? 15 are there. So the number of ways to select the first station, 15 ways are there. Next, this is not yet completed. Now into the second station can be selected in 14 ways. Total 15 into 14. That is actually multiplication principle. Now second one related to this one. The number of arrangements that can be formed out of logarithm so that no two ovals come together. Here first solution I am writing here. Here what are the ovals here? A, E, I, O, U. No two ovals comes together means first you can arrange the remaining consonants. Total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters are there. In that how many ovals are there? We can separate ovals and consonants. L, O, G, A, R, I, T, H, M. These are the consonants. These are the ovals. These are the consonants, these are the ovals. First we have to arrange. The ovals. How many ovals are there? Total, how many ovals are there? L, G, R, T, No two ovals comes together. First we have to arrange the consonants. L, G, R, T, H, M. First I arranged all the consonants first. So this can be done in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial ways. Previously we discussed that on NPN, that is equals to the number of ways filling n blank places by n dissimilar things, that is n factorial. Here 3 plus 3, 6 are there. 6 can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial, 6p6, that is 6 factorial. Now, in these gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 gaps are there. But here how many ovals are there? Only 3 ovals are there. First you can select 3 empty places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. From the 7 we can select 3 places. 3 empty places. The number of ways of selecting 3, that is NCR. Now in our hand 3 empty boxes are there. In that 3 empty boxes, these 3 letters can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. This is the answer. So here what we have done? Total. First I arranged consonants that can be done in 6 factorial ways, and next empty places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there, and here I am keeping vowels 7p3 also we can say that one. Here 6 factorial into NCR into R factorial we can write 7p3 also. That is a 7p3, 7 factorial by, for example here you can see 7c3 NCR, that is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into, here NCR into r factorial is there, r factorial. These two gets cancelled. N factorial by n minus r factorial, that is nothing but a NPR. So NCR into r factorial we can write NPR also. Sometimes options we can get this one directly 6 factorial into 7c3 into 3 factorial, otherwise 6 factorial into 7p3 also. The product of these two, that is equal to 7p3. NCR into r factorial, that is equal to NPR. Now first one completed, first bit. Now what about the second bit? All the vowels come together. All the vowels here, what are the vowels here? O, A, I. All the vowels comes together. In every arrangement all the vowels comes together only. So this one you can consider one object. Remaining what are the consonants are there? L, G, R, T, H, M. This one you can consider one object. So total number of objects how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 objects are there. 7 can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial ways into, that is not yet completed. Here 3 are there. We can put in any order also. So these 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial. So the total number of arrangements here, in every arrangement all the vowels comes together. Here total all the vowels comes together means this one you can consider one object. Total number of objects how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those can be arranged among themselves in 7 factorial into, these 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Now third bit. No two consonants comes together. The same like that only. Here no two vowels come together. Here no two consonants comes together. Here first we can arrange the vowels. What are the vowels here? O, A, I. Vowels, what are they? O, A, I. Now first I arrange vowels. No two consonants. This can be done in 3 factorial ways. All the vowels can be arranged, the 3 can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Now you can see the gaps 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps are there. But here how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. The total objects, here 4 gaps are there. Maybe 4 are less than or equals to 4. Then only it is possible to arrange in the gaps. But here the number of objects are more than these gaps only. Here 6 consonants are there, but here only 4 gaps are there. So we can't, that is not possible to arrange 6 consonants in that 4 gaps. So here number of arrangements that is equal to 0 only, not possible to arrange in that condition. Here next one. The letters of the word random are arranged in all possible ways. The number of arrangements in which there are 2 letters between R and D. Here a total number of letters, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. See here, the number of arrangements in which there are 2 letters between R and D. So first we have to fix R and D only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the arrangements I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 2 letters between R and D, but order of the R and D not mentioned here. Here first place always occupied by R and second place occupied by D, that is not given only. Between R and D there are 4 letters should be there. Sorry, there are 2 letters between R and D only. For example, here if I fix R and D, we have to fix D there only. Now between R and D 2 letters are there. Now R and D, either D and R also we can write. So these two can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Into here R and D, I fixed the 2. Remaining how many letters are there? If I cancel these 2, remaining 4 letters are there. Here 4 blank places are there. 4 letters in that 4 blank places. In how many ways we can arrange? 4 factorial ways. Here also shifting R and D. Now here also in this arrangement also between R and D there are 2 letters are there, and here R and D and R, these two can be interchanged in 2 factorial ways. Into here also 1, 2, 3, 4 blank places are there and 4 letters are there. So 4 letters in that 4 blank places we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. Next again we can shift the places. Here R, here I am keeping D. So next one we can't get that one. We can't shift R and D. Why? Because only 6 letters are there. Now here also R and D, these two can be interchanged in 2 factorial ways. One time you can keep R, D here. Next arrangement here you can keep D, here you can keep R. Now here 4 letters are left. Here 4 blank places are there. So the 4 letters can be placed in that 4 blank places in 4 factorial ways. So the total number of ways, this is one arrangement completed, this is also completed, this is also completed. So here we can use addition only. This is 4 factorial 24, 24 2 are 48. Here also we can get 48, here also we can get 48. 3 48 jar, 144 ways are there. In every arrangement there are 2 letters between R and D. Here next one, see the difference between, here 5 bits are given. The number of ways in which 10 candidates A1, A2, A3, so on A10, 10 candidates are there, can be arranged in a vertical row, means line. If A1 and A2 are next to each other, see, always in every arrangement the 2 persons always comes next to each other only, A1, A2. So that one you can consider one object only. Remaining A3, A4, A5, so on A10. Total how many are there here? Total 10. If I separate 2, here 8 are there. These are the 8 objects. This one 1. 8 plus 1, 9 objects are there. Here that 9 objects can be arranged among themselves in these total how many candidates are there? So total how many objects are there here? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 factorial. 9 can be arranged in 9 factorial ways into. Here order is not given like as the previous type only. Here order is not given. A1, A2 comes together only or next to each other. Always A1 comes to the first position, A2 occupies the second position, not given. So these two, if I interchange these two candidates also, A1, A2 next to each other only. So these two can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. So here this is the first option. See the difference between 1 by 1. A1, A2 are next to each other. So who is going to occupy the first place? That is not mentioned. So we can keep any one, either A1 or A2 we can keep. So the two we can interchange in 2 different ways, 2 factorial ways. Total 9 objects are there, 9 factorial into 2 factorial. Next one, A1 is always above A2. A1 is always in every arrangement. In every arrangement, A1 is always above A2. Here 2 types are there. See here, A1 is just above A2. A1 is always above A2. For example, A1, A3, A4, A10, A2. In this arrangement also A1 is above A2 only. Otherwise, here if I keep A2, here also A1 is above A2 only. Like that, that's how many arrangements are there. So here what I am doing, A1 is always above A2. Total how many candidates are there? Total 10 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are there. First I am arranging the remaining 8 members. Keep aside these 2 members, you can keep aside. A1, A2 keep aside. Remaining how many members are there? 8 members are there. A3, A4, A5, so on. A3 can be placed in. How many boxes are there here? 10 boxes are there. So 10 ways we can arrange. 10 into A3 can be placed in 10 ways. Here 10 boxes are there. We can put any one of the 10 boxes. After that, how many boxes left? 9. So to keep A4, 9 places are there. For A5, 8 are there. For A4, sorry, A3, A4, A5, A6, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is completed. So here first I arrange it A3, A4, A5, so on, A10. In this number of ways you can arrange them. 5 into 4 into 3. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Now after filling all these persons A3 to A10, here 2 boxes are left. 2 are free. 2 boxes are free. In that 2 boxes, we can arrange A1 and A2 in the desired order. In the desired order. What is the desired order here? A1 is always above A2. For example, these two, after filling all these candidates A3 to A10, for example, if these 2 boxes are free, then A1 is always here above A2. So here we can keep A1, here keep A2 only. Here only one possibility is there. Okay. Here, this one I am multiplying with here answer. Okay, this one. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here multiplying and dividing with 2 into 1. So the numerator we can write 10 factorial, product of first 10 natural numbers. 10 factorial by, this is 2 factorial. 10 factorial by 2 factorial. That is the answer for the second one. Now what about the third one? And see the difference between these two. Here A1 is just above A2 only. A1 is just above A2. So A1 is just above A2. So you can keep one object, that one. You have to consider these two persons, put in one box, and that one we have to consider one object only. Next, A3, A4, A5, A10. Total here 8 are there, this is 9. Total 9 factorial. Here total 9 factorial. We can't interchange A1 and A2. Why? Because here condition is given. A1 is just above A2 only. In every arrangement, these 9 objects can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. In every arrangement, A1 is always above A2 only. A1 is above A2, A1 is just above A2, so much difference is there. Next, fourth one. So here this is the fourth option is the correct one. Next here, fourth one. If A1 is always above A2 and A2 is above A3, A1 is always above A2 and A2 is always above A3. Here also 10 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 boxes are there. Here what I am saying, remaining A1, A2, A3 keep aside. That 3 persons you can keep aside. A1, A2, A3. Next, what are the remaining? A4, A5, A6 up to A10. Total how many objects are there here? 7 are there. First we can arrange these 7 candidates in the corresponding boxes only. So to place A4, how many chances are there? Here 10 chances are there to place the A4 in that any one of the 10 boxes. After that 9, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. So here 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. A4 can be placed in 10 ways. After that 9 boxes are left. A5 can be placed in 9 ways, like that, so on up to A10 I have written. Now after placing all these candidates in that 7 boxes, 3 boxes are left. In that 3 boxes we can arrange A1, A2, A3 in their desired order. A1 is always, for example, here I got these 3 boxes. After filling that persons, here I got these 3 boxes are free. So A1 is always above A2 and A2 is always above A3. We can, this is that can be done in only one way only. That can be done in only one way. A1, A2, A3. Desired order only one is there. A1 is always above A2 and A2 is above A3. So that's why this type of problems, first you can complete the remaining. First you can arrange the remaining persons in that boxes. After the completion of that one, we can get 3 boxes are free. In that 3 boxes we can arrange these 3 persons A1, A2, A3 in their desired order. Next, fifth one. A1, A2, A3 are set together in a specified order. In a particular order, they have to sit in a particular order only. A1, A2, A3 sit together. So the 3 members you can put in one object only, in one box. Next, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10. Now, total here 7. This one you can consider one object. Total how many objects are there? 8 are there. 8 can be arranged among themselves in 8 factorial ways. Here 8 can be arranged in 8 factorial ways, total 7 plus 1, 8 are there, 8 factorial. But here we can't interchange. Always they sit in a specified order, particular order only. That can be done in only one way. This is also like a similar type of previous type only, similar to previous problem. The letters of the word hexagon be arranged in all possible ways. If order of the vowels not to be changed. See, what are the vowels here? A, E, I, O, U, E, A, O, E, A, O. Order of the vowels not to be changed. So, in every arrangement, in everywhere, order of vowels should be E, A, O. Here, order should not be changed. In every arrangement, E comes first, A comes next, O comes third place. The third place should be occupied by O only. Now, what are the remaining? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 letters are there in that word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes are there. What are the consonants here? H, X, G, N. Total 4 consonants are there. Now, first we can arrange the consonants in that boxes to fill the H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ways are there. After that, for X, 6 chances are there. 6 possibilities are there to fill the X. For G, 5. For N, 4 are there. See here, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. After filling this one, for example, these 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 boxes are filled with the consonants. Here 3 boxes are left. In the 3 boxes, what they are saying, order of the vowels should not be changed. So, in the first place you can put, in the first blank place you can put E, in the second blank place A, in the third blank place O. So, here also we are getting the order E, A, O. So, order should not be changed. So, that one can be done in only one way. So, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. You can multiply. Here options what they given: 1680, 840, 420, 8 factorial by 2 factorial. So, if I multiply these two, we can get second option, that is 840. Next one, 9 toys are to be placed in 9 boxes. If 5 of them are too big for 3 boxes. 5 of them, here total number of toys 9 are there. 5 of them are too big for 3 boxes. So here 3 boxes are small one. Remaining 9 are remaining 6 are, comparing with the 3, larger one. Now 9 toys are to be placed in 9 boxes. If 5 of them are too big, here 5 toys are there: T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Here these 5 toys we can't put in that 3 boxes. So first we can arrange these bigger toys in that bigger boxes only. Here total 5 toys are there. Here total 6 boxes are there. First toy can be arranged in total number of ways. Total number of ways, that is equals to, first toy can be placed in total how many boxes are there here? Here these we can't arrange in these 3 boxes are only. Why? Because that only mentioned there. These are very short, small boxes. These are very big toys only. So here these toys we can arrange in that boxes only. So first toy we can put in any one of the 6 boxes. Next one 5. Next one 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we completed that one. Next, how many boxes left? Here 1, here 3, total 4 are there. Here how many toys left here? Total 9 toys are there. Already we arranged 5, remaining 4 are there. In that 4 boxes we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. So the total number of ways, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 4 factorial. So this one I can write. What about here 4 factorial is there, maybe this one we can check that one. What about 6p5, 6 factorial by 6 minus 5, 1 factorial. If I expand that one, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, we can write 6 factorial into 5 factorial. 6p5 is nothing but this one we can write 6p5 into 4 factorial. 6p5 is nothing but 6 factorial also. This is a different model question. The number of non-empty subsets of 1 to 12 elements are there, having the property the sum of the largest and the smallest elements is 13. So here we can take a case wise. What about the case 1? The sum of largest and the smallest elements should be 13. So first element I am taking, the smallest I am taking 1, and largest element I am taking 12. Smallest I am taking 1, largest element I am taking 12. So what about the sum of the smallest and the largest? That is 13 only, satisfying that condition. So rest of the elements, how many are there? Here these two are fixed only. Now rest of the elements, how many are there? 10 elements are there. If a set contains n elements, number of subsets is equal to number of subsets, that is equal to 2 power n. So here in this condition, what we conclude that one, the sum of the largest and the smallest element is 13, means every set should contain at least 2 elements. Every set should contain 2 elements, at least 2 elements. So if only 2 elements are there, sum of the 2 elements should be 13 only. And here rest of the elements 10 are there. So if 10 elements are there, number of subsets is equal to 2 power 10. With this 10 elements I am preparing. Here we can get 2 power 10 subsets. In every subset we can include these 2 elements. We can add the 2 elements of 1 and 12. So total number of subsets, how many are there? 2 power 10 is there. Next, second one. Here if I take the least one 2, and what about the highest one? 11. Next, here 2 comma 11 both are fixed only. Next, in between these two elements, how many elements are there? 8 elements are there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 and if I include 1 and 12. See here, between 2 and 11, total 8 elements are there. With these 8 elements, how many, if a set contains 8 elements, the number of subsets, how many are there? Number of subsets, that is equal to 2 power 8. In every subset, you can include these two. In every subset, these 2 elements are included. So total number of subsets 2 power 8 are there. So sum of least and highest, always we are getting 13. Like that, if I continue this one, third one, 3 comma 10 if I take, 2 power 6 we can get, 4 comma 8 if I take, 4, 9, then 2 power 4, 5 comma 8, 8 plus 5, 13 only, 2 power 2 we can get. Next 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 6, 7, only 2 elements are there in between these two, 6, 7. So number of subsets 2 power 2. Next if I take 6, 7, number of subsets here 0 only. 2 power 0, that is only 1 is there. That is a set of 6 comma 7, that one itself only. So total number of non-empty subsets of this one, and everywhere the smallest and the largest element should be 13. The total number of ways is equal to the total number of subsets is equal to, here starts from here we can start 2 power 0, that is 1 only, 1 plus 2 square plus 2 power 4 plus 2 power 6 plus 2 power 8 plus 2 power 10, that is equal to, those are in GP. Those are in a GP. Sum to n terms in GP. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. A into R power n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 by R minus 1. That is 2 power 12 minus 1. Here we can get 1365. 1365 we can get. Here, by using the letters of the word education, how many 4-letter words can be formed? How many 4-letter words can be formed? Here, total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 letters are there. So, first place can be filled with any one of the 9 letters. Next, second one can be filled with any one of the 8 letters. Here 7, here 6. This is the answer. How many of them contains U? How many of them contains U? So here what to do? This type of problems. Here every 4-letter word should contain U only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we can place U. U can be placed in 4 ways. You can put any one of the 4 places. After that, here U is already, we placed that one. Remaining how many letters are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there. So after, for example, I placed here. So this one can be placed in 8 ways. The second blank place can be filled in 7 ways. Next, third blank place can be filled in 6 ways. So 4 into 8 into 7 into 6. That 4-letter words only. How many starts with U and end with I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Starts with U and end with I. So U and I completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. So this one can be filled with any one of the 7 letters. This one can be filled in any one of the 6 letters. So total number of ways 42. The total number of 4-letter words 42 are there. In every arrangement, U occupies the first position and I occupies the last position. Next, how many of them U comes before I? How many 4 letters are there? In every arrangement, U comes before I. Here, 4 blank places are there. How many of them U comes before I? U comes before I. So, U comes before I. Here you can keep aside this U and I. U and I keep aside. So total remaining how many letters are there? U and I, if I keep aside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. So here we have to arrange in every 4-letter word U always comes before I only. First, what I am doing, selecting 2 blank places. Here total 4 are there. The number of ways selecting 2 blank places, that is 4C2 into 4C2 means here I selected 2. In that 2, I am arranging these two u and I in the desired order. That can be done in only one way. Why? Because u always occupies, u always comes before I only. Next, two blank places are there. In the first blank place, we can put any one of the 7 letters. In the second blank place, we can put any one of the 6 letters. So 7 letters are there. In the first blank place, we can arrange one letter in 7 ways, and in the second blank place also we can arrange another letter in 6 ways. So here 6 into 7 into 6, that is the answer. Here one more, the number of numbers of 9 different non-zero digits. Number of 9 different non-zero digits, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Such that all the digits in the first 4 places are less than the digit in the middle. See here only you can see all the 4 digits are less than the digit in the middle place, and the digits in the last 4 places are greater than the digit in the middle place. All these are more than 5 only. Now these 4 can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial ways. Into, that is not yet completed, into these 4 can be arranged among themselves in 4 factorial ways. Total 4 factorial whole square. Thank you.